I'm so sorry if I hurt your mama. Whoa. How could he separate a mama from her only kid? I swear I needed her more than he did. It's like a dream I can't believe. I got so many questions, ma, like why did you leave? He got enough angels, then why he gotta take mine from me? I just ain't feel we had enough time. I buried you with a phone, mama, can we FaceTime? Elvin came into my room and asked me was I crying. Told him it was dirt in my eyes, I think he knew I was lying. Baby Blue been fucking up, but I think he gon' be alright. My world been pretty dark lately, cause they took away my life. Single woman raising a man, definition true lies. You tried, you thought you failed, you cried, you got it right. I know I took a long time, mama, but I'm doing fine. You died, I cried, and I contemplated suicide. Okay, won't lie, like once or twice I probably did try. I like my life, don't wanna die, just wanna see one more time. I'm so sorry if I hurt your mama. Stress you out them nerves, I know I worked them, mama. Left us all alone, why you gone, mama? Whoa, this is your song, mama. I'm so sorry if I hurt your mama. Stress you out them nerves, I know I worked them, mama. Left us all alone, why you gone, mama? Oh, today is Mother's Day. Just wanna sleep it away, just wanna buy you a cake, and I'm not having a good day. I'm in pain, I hope these Percocets could take it away. And I got so much to say. When you see him, you tell him I got something to say. I wish I could make him pay, he took my angel away. Remember them talks about everything and nothing, yeah, I miss that. And if I had a time machine, you know I go back. And if they told me I could come with you, I go pack. I had to unplug your machine and I regret that. Wish I could fix that. Mama always made sure it was food and clothes, even though my pops was smoking like a broken stove. That's why I made you this song. Make sure you tell the Lord I'm venting and I don't want no smoke. Do me a favor, give Elaine and Aurelie a hug and play him this song. You just don't know how much I miss you, ma, I love you, I'm gone. I'm so sorry if I hurt your mama. Stress you out them nerves, I know I worked them, mama. Left us all alone, why you gone, mama? Whoa, this is your song, mama. I'm so sorry if I hurt your mama. Stress you out them nerves, I know I worked them, mama. Left us all alone, why you gone, mama? Whoa.